In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order in MetaTrader 5 mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the very bottom left where it says quotes, and you want to tap on that. And then from here, you want to select whatever asset you would like to actually place an order on. So I'm just going to go with Euro USD, which is the first option up top. And you want to tap on it. And from here, you want to tap on a new order. Now, when you're here, as you can see up top, it's going to say market execution. If I tap on that, I can go and select a different one. I could go buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, or any of the other ones. That's completely up to you. And then over here, you can basically just select however much you want to go ahead and purchase. So we could do plus 0.01. You could tap on here and do your own amount. So if I do 0.05 like this, there we go, it's going to work. And then over here where it says SL and TP, this is where you can basically set your stop loss and take profit over here, as you can see in those two brackets. Now, when you're ready, you can just go to the very bottom and then either sell or buy. So I have a market order right now of 0.05 Euro USD, as you can see, and I can just tap on buy by market. And there we go, I've successfully placed an order. Now, of course, you could go and do this for whichever asset you want here. Whatever you do, it's going to open up the new order tab, and then it's going to allow you to basically select the order type, the amount, and then at the bottom, you can buy or sell after placing stop losses and take profits, which of course are optional. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.